If for some reason I need to change the pipeline that a deal is assigned to, I can do it directly from this deals page here. All I need to do is open up the preview, and this can also be done from the deal record itself, but I find it simplest to do from the preview page here. You'll see that currently it's in the renewals pipeline. All I need to do is open this drop down up, and I can select whatever pipeline it should be assigned to. It's going to ask me basically to confirm which pipeline it's supposed to be assigned to, and then also to confirm the stage that it should go in. I'm going to move this to the first stage for this pipeline here. It's going to ask if I have, in this case, scheduled a discovery call. Any sort of mandatory properties that are necessary will be shown here, as well as non-mandatory properties. You can differentiate the two between if there's an asterisk or not. Once I fill this out, I can go ahead and select Save. And as I move over here to the new sales certification, you'll see that the deal has now moved into the new sales certification pipeline.